Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna admit something. I'm sort of having a hard time. It's hard to even explain how I'm feeling, so I decided that I was gonna edit videos today and possibly do like a DIY project for me to feel a bit more okay. And it's okay not to feel okay, but I don't want to just lay in bed all day today. So yeah, if you guys are sort of feeling down as well, please, let's sit down and get ready together. And I'm gonna do a little bit more of like a glam beat today. I just love makeup and it really makes me feel a little bit more put together for the day. So, because we're gonna do a bit more of a glam look, I am going to do my eyes first. I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise base. I just like to do my eyes first because it makes cleanup a lot easier. Allows me to be a little bit more sloppy with my eyeshadow. It's a bit more forgiving. I'm gonna go in with some translucent powder and just put a light coating of that over my eye. I guess I'll go in with my eyebrows. I'm still using eyeshadow for my eyebrows. I recently just bought the Glossier Brow Flick and the Brow Boy brush, I think. Still not in the mail yet, but when that comes in, definitely gonna use it. Since I had my eyebrows microbladed, it's essentially just a game of like fill in the like within the lines, like color in the lines. And then I'll go in with a brow gel. And I just sort of emphasize the hairs in the front of my brow so that it actually like looks like I have hair. And for those of you guys who are diving into like new eyeshadow colors and like fun things, I just suggest you just go for it. Like for me, I didn't really look up inspiration photos or anything. I just saw colors and thought like, oh, those would look good together. And you'd be surprised. A lot of colors will surprise you and they'll look good together even when you don't think they're that cute. So for my transition color like this, I like to take semi-neutral color with a semi-fluffy brush and just start mapping out where I want the color to like sort of end. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this slightly darker shade like this guy. And I'm gonna deepen my outer V. I'm not gonna bring it up as high up as my transition color. I'm gonna put it like right there. So I'm gonna go in with the same brush and go in with the color called Homeboy. And this one's like a, ooh. Okay, there's some fallout, but this is such a pretty color. What? She's like clay. Is that the word I'm looking for? Like, what color is that? It's like terracotta. That's what I was looking for. You know what? I'm gonna go even deeper. So, I like where it's at right now. I'm gonna do a cut crease. I want to go in with that same brush that had the deep colors and just sort of blend the edges where the concealer is, where the concealer stops, so that it looks like a seamless transition rather than like a harsh line, so it looks like that rather than this. And then the fun part, I'm gonna actually put glitter on. I love Tati's palette. And I think I'm probably gonna go in with this guy. And I'm just gonna put this in the center of my eyelid like that. This is the part where I don't really do eyeliner quite yet. I'll do my base after this. So first though, this is in my opinion, the most satisfying part, is cleaning my eyeshadow, and I will drag a makeup wipe like so on the other side. And hopefully get them to be even angles. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Jelly Pop primer, just because it's sticky. And a fun thing that I've been doing is I've been color correcting. Okay, and then after I do that, that is when I go in. Yeah, that's pretty much my base. So, have my eyelashes on, and then now I'm gonna go in with the bottom lashes. Sometimes I will literally forget and not have bottom lashes, but it's just so top heavy that it's good to even it out. If that even translates. Oh yeah. She's so cute. Okay, work. Yeah. This is like totally like, hi, don't cough in my direction, thanks. Now for the lip, gonna do more in-depth. God, you can still see my pimples. I personally like to go in with a lip liner. Doesn't have to be this dark. I'm just a fan of dark lip liners right now because it almost works like contour. Makes overlining my lips a lot easier. But you can do it with any lip liner really. So, find where your natural like lip is. And then go a little over that. And so you overline from like here to here, but on the sides of your lip, do not do anything like that because you will look crazy, okay? So just go with your natural, like straight down. There. Same with under your lip. I will line like right here, which is like past where my natural lip ends, but it will make sense. So you overline the bottom of your lip, but once again, on the sides where your top and bottom lip meet, keep that the same. Just follow your natural line. Like that. Okay. I know I look crazy. And then what I will do is that I will take a brush or your finger and smudge out your lip. And I don't have a clean brush, so I guess I'm using my finger. But it works. So I'm just taking my finger and smudging out the liner so it doesn't look as crazy, like that. And then I will go in with lipstick. You can use whatever lipstick you want. Tell me what you guys think. If my videos are painfully boring, let me know as well. I like making stuff, and this is a lot of fun for me, and hopefully it translates well to other people. Like, I want it to like actually be entertaining. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I kept you company while you got ready. I hope that you are feeling okay in this, and I personally need some human interaction, so if you have anything to say to me or comment or want to talk about anything, let me know and then we can hang out. I appreciate you watching and taking the time out of your day to spend time with me. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.